Do you want to have a beautiful garden while saving water? Welcome to the world of drought-tolerant gardening, a sustainable approach that not only conserves water but also decreases maintenance. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a garden that's both beautiful and water efficient? There are numerous drought-tolerant plants to choose from. Let's start with succulents. Agave and aloe are two great examples. They store water in their thick, fleshy leaves, allowing them to survive in arid conditions. Moving on to shrubs, lavender and rosemary are both aromatic and hardy, requiring minimal watering once established. Their delightful scent adds an extra sensory dimension to your garden. What about trees? Consider olive or pine. These trees have adapted to survive in regions with scarce water, making them perfect for a water-efficient garden. They provide shade and structure, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your garden. These plants not only save water but also add unique beauty to your garden. Drought-tolerant plants offer more than just water efficiency. Their beauty attracts local wildlife, creating a vibrant ecosystem right in your backyard. They play a crucial role in reducing soil erosion, preserving the health and vitality of your garden. What's more, these resilient plants require less maintenance, saving you time and effort. They can thrive in a variety of climates and soils, making them a versatile choice for any garden. Drought-tolerant plants are truly a win-win for both you and the environment. You too can create a stunning, water-efficient garden. Imagine a space that not only thrives in dry conditions, but also contributes to precious water conservation. Picture a vibrant, low-maintenance oasis right in your backyard. The beauty of drought-tolerant plants goes beyond their resilience. They offer an opportunity to nurture our planet while enjoying the fruits of your labor. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.